Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little guest assistant, which is my baby sister. Say hi.
She may not stay. You gonna help us? Okay. What are we making today, Joseph? And we're gonna do a variation. We'll make cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
So to start, we need
One plastic bag.
with a zipper, a Ziploc bag.
And when I was a little kid, I loved cinnamon rolls, right, Mom?
You love cinnamon rolls, period. Yes. What do we need first?
We need 120 grams of flour. 120. Now we need 37 grams of sugar.
Or 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
No,
Why?
because you don't need to just eat sugar, sister.
Why?
30.
I think he always asks why every single question. So
Okay.
we need 135 grams. Oh.
It's okay. Just leave it alone. You want to try? Here, go ahead. Good helper. All right, so now we're going to get 180 grams of starter. Okay, 1 second.
Sourdough. He says Sarah.
Pour it right in. You want to try? Okay. Help scrape it. Here. All right, so now we have the flour, the sugar, the water, and the starter in our bag.
So we
And we're gonna mush it. Good. Just squish it all together, sister. Squish it, squish it.
Squish it, squish it.
All right, so once it's all mixed up, now we're just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then we're gonna come back.
Yeah.
So we'll see you back in 10 minutes.
While we're waiting for our bread in a bag, correct it, we're gonna feed Jeff.
Right, so we've used Jeff because it was ready to make bread, so we used it, and then we have some left over, just a little tiny bit in here. It's actually about 100 grams, which is perfect. And why do we still have this in the jar?
Because we are saving it.
Right, you never want to use all of yours in a recipe, otherwise it'll be gone, right? All right, so why don't we put 100 grams of water in here. Lift it up off the jar. All right, and we'll give that a little swirl, and then now you can add 100 grams of flour. Then we'll just mix it right up in the jar. We don't need to take it out. And then now he's all ready to go rest on the counter for 24 hours. And then we can use him tomorrow.
I already made chocolate cake. And when we're ready,
we're back after 10 minutes. So now we're going to open our bag. We have 2 bags now. One, we're making the bread. Thank you, sister. We're making the bread in the bag in this one, and we're going to make cinnamon rolls out of this one. Yeah. So we added the same amount of stuff, except for that one I did add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. All right, so now we're going to add 1 1/4 cups or 150 grams of flour. Careful, that side is gooey.
Gooey? Gooey, you mean goo-goo?
Good job, sister. Don't open it. Keep it closed so it doesn't spill. Yeah, don't spill it.
100 first.
We're going 150. Mm-hmm. That's going to be too much. Good job.
So we add salt.
1.5 teaspoons of salt. These are half a teaspoon, so we need how many of those?
2.
3. Because 2 makes 1, and then 1 more is the half, 1.5. All right, next we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. And then we seal it back up and you squish it.
I want to be like 10 minutes. I'm going to like give it a big pack. I'm going to like
Yeah?
Let me do this one. Let me handle big chungus.
Here, put it right here.
Big
So
chungus.
everybody can see you squishing it. Squish it like with your fingers and get all of it worked in. Sister, you want to put the rest of the stuff in yours?
Yeah. I'm going
All
to
right,
take
put it
this
right
out.
here. Oh my goodness, that's pretty crazy. Let's put it right here, sister, okay? Do this, ready? All right, so the dough inside is still really, really gooey. We are not gonna, it's gonna stick right to our hands if we do that. So we're gonna add a little bit more flour.
Yeah. What's your second salt?
No, we're all done with the salt, thank you.
Oh, good.
Hi, flour? Oh, you're eating it. Squish. Just like this. Squish it really good.
Like this.
How's yours coming, sister? Oh, you still got flour. Look, you didn't get yours mixed in yet.
Mom,
You want to
look.
squish it?
There we go.
How's it look?
Pretty good to me.
Does it feel stiff inside there? Like this one, touch this one. Is it? Oh, look. See, mine is coming off of the bag and making a dough inside. So we know that it's being kneaded enough. So let's see. Yours might need a little more flour too. There you go. Away from the bag as we're squishing it. It's coming into its own mass. So just keep squishing. What's wrong? Are you all done? So we're gonna let this one rest for a little while because it's not gonna go in a loaf can. This is the one we're gonna make the cinnamon rolls with. So we'll just set it here to rest. Sister can knead it if she wants. Let's see how yours is looking. All right, so we're gonna put some flour on the board now that's all kneaded and ready to go.
Yes.
Open this up. You gotta turn this thing out.
That's much easier.
Yeah. And most of the mess is contained inside this bag. All right, so now you're gonna knead it until it gets nice and smooth. So to knead, you go squish it down and then fold it over, and squish it down and fold it over.
Squish it out. I'll just squish it, you just fold it.
Okay.
Squish it down.
And you don't want it to stick to your hands like that. You don't want to squish your hands in so far. So you're gonna do it quick like that. You just squish it out to like stretch it and then fold it. Okay.
Squish it out. Oh my gosh, even more sticky than me.
It's sticky, so let's put a little more flour.
Yeah, on top.
Okay, so then we want to, Okay, so you squish it a little flat like that. Then you want to fold the ends over. No, just like one end like this, like tuck it and tuck that one. Tuck it like that, and then we're gonna roll it. Roll, roll, roll.
And then we got center of it.
And roll it a little bit more to fit in our pan because our pan is pretty long. So then squish it in the pan. Then we're gonna just cover it and we're gonna let it rise until it's like bubbled up on the top, and then we're gonna bake it.
Yeah. Hey guys, today we got an assistant, my brother. So it took 5 hours to ride. I was in bed and Mom baked it for me. This is my bed. This is our bread. Right here. Also, we made cinnamon roll out of it. So we're gonna cut this in half. Super sharp knife. Do not try this at home.
Without adult.
This way, Mom. There we go. This is how it looks on the inside. And you do not want it to be soggy. We made these with sketch.